Still dark outside when I start my truck. Down in what's left in my coffee cup. Dinner bucket riding in the shotgun seat. Old gravel road out in front of me. It's a little too early for the radio, but my mind just wanders to and fro about things behind me and things ahead, things I'm looking forward to and the things I dread. It's another day for a working man. Plan your work and you work your plan. Steering wheel or a hammer in your hand. Well, that's a life of a working man. I'm unloading my tools when a rooster crows. He's old like me and he damn sure knows. If you see the sun rising, it's worth a nod. Every day above the ground is a gift from God. I've been doing this now for 30 years. Through the blood and the sweat and laughter and the tears. What I have, I got myself. I ain't quite ready to go up on the shelf. It's just another day for a working man. These dirty jeans and calloused hands. Steering wheel or a hammer in your hand. That's a life of a working man. Oh, my blood is red, but my collar's blue. My boots are leather and my skin is too. Working outside in the rain and shine. Couple days late and $1 behind. It's another day for a working man. Plan your work and work your plan. get the job done the best way you can. That's a life of a working man. Oh, that's a life of a working man.